Please give me some, help me in the comments, please. Hey, what's going on, you guys? For y'all that don't know and for y'all that do know, my name is Ashley and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I am doing an unboxing of my birthday gift that I bought for myself, which is the new Uggs. The new UGG Tasman slippers. So I ordered these from, I ordered them from Foot Locker. And I haven't opened them yet because I've wanted to do an unboxing video. And truthfully, I just...
Oh, never mind. I was about to cut the box open on the screen, but my address is up there.
First of all, I ain't never had an UGG box like this. Oh, I cut the box. Can y'all see that? Y'all see that line right there? I cut the box. Oh, but anyway, these are, Tasman. The Tasman slippers. Watch out, ladies.
Excuse me. As soon as you see me talking, you want to get up here and play. No, ma'am.
My dog is, look, it's a mess right here, but I don't know, I might have to cut that out. Anyway, stop it. Boy, I'm so excited. All right, just so y'all can see this and experience this with me, obviously, I actually ordered it from Foot Locker, so authentication is real. Authentication. Look how pretty. Oops. Look. Look how pretty. I'm so happy, yo. I've been wanting these slippers for months. And I hadn't got them. And I'm so happy. And this is, I believe, the newest colorway of the shoe, of the slipper. And well, let me see what it is. It is, well, I don't know what that means. SSNT. I know it's sand. And this is I forgot the NT is this blue color, but I forget what it's called. It got a blue. This is the sand color and the blue trimming. It is a newer colorway. I believe so. Newer meaning probably the last couple of months. I don't stay hip on what new stuff UGG offers. But yeah, I got mine in an 8. These are sold out on the UGG website. So I had to find where they were. I was actually a little bit surprised that Foot Locker had them in my size because a lot of places didn't. And I was trying to find, truthfully, I was trying to find this style of shoe on sale. And there were some that were on sale. It was like the black ones and then the ones that said UGG real big, like on the front, that were on sale, and they were like $70 or $80. And then I was like, I'll just get them for my birthday. I would treat myself, and I just, these were the newest colorway. I'm like, okay, that's cool. Like, I'm getting some new. And granted, I'm only going to be wearing these in the house, but I wanted a neutral color. I wasn't really feeling the black or the red. I mean, not the black. I wasn't feeling the letters real big on the front of the slipper. But yeah, now I'm so excited because I've been wearing my UGG boots in the crib because I like how Uggs feel on my feet when I'm in the house. But now I done fucked up my boots because I've been wearing them in the house. Doing shit just in the house. Doing stuff just in the house. And now they a little bit dingy. So now I need new boots. But well, they're not terrible. I can still wear them out, but they're not where I would prefer them to be. So I need new boots. And yeah, but I mean, they'll hold me over until I get new boots. But I got the slippers so I could stop wearing my boots and I could put them away. And I could wear these and I can sit up on the couch with these and like get cozy under my blanket with my coffee and my teas and stuff. I am so freaking happy. And today is not my birthday. Today is March 17th. And baby, like, look how cute. Side profile, inside shot. I love these, and look at the color. Do you see the color? That blue is so pretty. Bro, I'm finna put these on my feet. I don't know, I guess if y'all wanna see that, I might put a little clip in there of them on my feet, but you know what, let me just do it. I'm gonna just do it, because why not? Woo! For reference, this is my current chestnut Ugg boot. It's my dog licked it, so yeah. It ain't terrible, but baby, they getting dusty, and I cannot keep wearing these in the house. Ooh, I get to try on my new shoes. Okay. Wait, I got an 8. Should I have got a 9? Oh my God. Swear to God, I should have got a bigger size because my foot can't slide in. Like, oh my God, I should have got a 9. Look, I'm sick. I am sick. Oh my God. I ordered an 8. But these are supposed to be in men's. Yeah, let me check. Hey, yo, swear to God. Okay, so my Ugg boots are a 9 in women and UK is 7, right? You can see that, right? These slippers are bigger. Still a UK 7. Oh, wait, I'm trying to zoom on my fingers. Still a UK 7, but it's a Europe 41. That's centimeters. That's 41 centimeters. And my boot is 40. That's a whole extra centimeter, which is enough room to get my foot in here. So I ain't going. I'm gonna try again. But I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes, because I'm probably gonna have to send these back. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to order a freaking 9 in men. I wear a size 10 in women normally. Bro, not these running small, and nobody told me. Maybe I didn't check the reviews. All right, y'all, but that's it. Dang. I'm still super excited about these, the color and stuff anyway, but now I gotta see if they have my freaking size. That's wild as hell. But all right, y'all, I'm not gonna keep you. Thank you so much for watching it. If you want the Tasman slipper, currently I would suggest you size up so that you don't have to worry about your foot sliding into it appropriately. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like this, and comment if you have these, or what the sizing is with this, or just please give me help me in the comments, please. But all right, I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.